the name?
Huh?
What's the name of the car?
Ben. Georgia A1 Custom.
Georgia A1 Custom version 2.
Who that is? I don't even know who that is. Oh, Capital Murder.
Capital Murder, okay.
Georgia A1 against Capital Murder.
Look out, what's up? Look out, not much. Yeah. before the finish line, y'all. Ooh, that was an upset. I think he would have had it if it wasn't for that little pop, that Poodle pop, whatever that was.
That's a bullshit right now.
I like the truck. They like that truck over there, y'all. That truck.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
Right on that video, that shit wicked. That shit was crazy.
Yeah. Golly.
Hey, your drone got it?
Yeah.
Your drone got it?
Yeah.
Oh, he turned that side up though. You hit him hard?
Yeah.
You need a new bed.
Door too. The door messed up too. They need a new cab, I think.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
Be on the drone.
Yeah.
Is the truck good? He good. He ain't wrecking no bad shit, did he?
No, not that I know of.
I know he just tapped the wall. I don't think that he, you know what I'm
Nah,
saying?
the dude hit it.
Yeah, the dude hit the side of. You can tell he pushed the side of that bitch in. Yeah, he hit the side of that bitch. He pushed that bitch in. And he hit the wall on the other side.
That's why they need to start letting these goddamn bitch high cars cut these regular prep track.
Hey, that's real talk,
And
man.
that's real talk.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What the other car?
Hey, go back, see. I think he went to tire shake.
That's just like when John Ganton went down there in South Carolina and raced down.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.